Hi y'all, welcome back. I was able to get to CVS this week to jump in on that second week worth of ads. There are some really great things today. I did have a spend 70 get $10 off coupon. You want to make sure you use one of those percentage coupons that you get through your email. Just send it to your card. Sometimes I get a 10%, sometimes I get a 20%. It really just depends. But either way, you're going to want to make sure you use that because that is what's going to trigger that spend coupon to come into your account. There are different variations. I've never gotten anything other than a spend 70 get $10 off, but I know that there are different ones that kind of circulate out there. So this is my deal for this week. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to start out this week with a spend 30 get $10 extra bucks back. These products are on sale, but they also have digital coupons that will attach to the sale price. You want to make sure when you're doing your spend deals that you're doing them in store and not online. And you want to also make sure that your total is over that threshold of the $30, including the sale price. So I picked up a Tide Pods 25 count for $13.49. There is a $3 digital coupon. I picked up a Tide Pods 12 count for $5.49. There's a digital coupon for $1 off of that one. And then I also picked up a Downy Scent Beads. It's the 13.4 ounce for $13.49. There's a digital coupon for $3 off of that one. So before the digital coupons, my total would be $32.47. I have $7 in coupons. That's going to leave me to pay $25.47 at the register. I'm going to get that $10 extra bucks back. So for all three products, it's $15.47 or $5.15 each. Palmer's lotion is buy one, get one 50% off this week. So I picked up two. So the first one's going to ring up $6.29 and then the second one's going to ring up $3.15. So total for both is $9.44. There is a digital coupon for $1.50 off. So that's going to leave me to pay $7.94 at the register. I'm going to get 6 extra bucks back. So after the extra bucks, that's going to leave me to pay $1.94 for both or 97 cents each. Neutrogena makeup wipes are buy two, get $7 extra bucks. I did not have a CRT. I know some of you have a buy three, take $10 off. I only had a spend 20 CRT, so I only just did the one deal. So I picked up 2 of the 25 count makeup remover wipes. They're $7.29 each. That's going to total me $14.58. I did have a digital coupon, which everyone should have, for $3 off. That left me to pay $11.58 at the register, but I did get back those $7 in extra bucks. So after the extra bucks, it's $4.58 for both or $2.29 each. I'm always excited when I see bar soap on sale because my husband likes it better than the body wash. So this week, Irish Spring, the 3-count bar soap is on sale for $2.49. If you buy 2, you're going to get $2 in extra bucks back. So I did. I picked up 2. That cost me $4.98 at the register. I got back that $2 in extra bucks. That left me to pay $2.98 for both or $1.49 each. You know, it wouldn't be a CVS haul if we didn't pick up some CoverGirl eye pencils. I tried to get the, 4-quad eyeshadows instead just because I have so many of these, but my store was out. So I ended up picking up 1 pencil for $5.79 and 1 pencil for $5.49. Total, that's $11.28. There is a $2 digital coupon that left me to pay $9.28 at the register. I got back $5 in extra bucks, so that equals $4.28 for both or $2.14 each. You're going to want to pick up 3 Dove shampoo or conditioners. They are $6.29 at my store, so I picked up 3. That's going to total me $18.87. There is a digital coupon for $6 off, so that's going to leave me to pay $12.87 at the register, but I'm going to get $6 in extra bucks back, so total would be $6.87 for all 3 or $2.29 each. Pick up 2 of these Carefree liners for $4.79. That's going to total you $9.58. I had $5 in digital coupons. I had a $3 and a $2. That left me to pay $4.58 at the register. I got $3 in extra bucks back, so total for both is $1.58 or 79 cents each. General Mills cereal is on sale this week for $2.49. I picked 2 boxes up. That's going to total me $4.98. I had 2 $1 digital coupons that came off at the register, so that left me to pay $2.98 for both or $1.49 each. There is a spend 10, get $3 extra bucks back for participating products if you want to do that and stock up on some extra items. I also just submitted my receipt over to Ibotta, and turns out there is an Ibotta rebate back for the General Mills cereal. So you're going to get $1 back from Ibotta. That's going to leave you to pay 49 cents for both, or 24 cents each. All right, y'all, so this is everything we got today. I had $115.48 worth of products at the register before any of my digital coupons came off. I had that spend 70, get $10 off. I also had a $3 extra buck that was sent for my birthday, and I think I had around $5 in extra bucks. So I wasn't starting out with very many extra bucks to roll anyways. So I ended up paying $58.15, but I had a $25 gift card that I got back from Fetch. So don't sleep on your rewards apps, because they really help when you need to, kind of offset your out-of-pocket cost, since I didn't have that many extra bucks to roll anyways. So all of my digitals did come off. I ended up paying $38.19 for all 18 items, but I got $40 in extra bucks back, plus my $1 from Ibotta, which was a surprise because I didn't know I was getting it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go to CVS. It's the last week of this ad. We get a new one on Sunday. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.